Hi dear friends, welcome to the 14th part of multiple choice questions on income tax. First one, which of the following is not a capital asset? A. Goodwill, B. Jewelry, C. Stock in trade, and D. Plant. Option C, stock in trade. Second one, transfer of capital asset does not include A. Distribution on partition of HUF, B. Gift or will, C. Conversion of debenture into shares, and D. All of these. Option D, all of these. Third one, income from sale of household furniture is A. Business income, B. Capital gain, C. Casual income, and D. Exempted income. Option D, exempted income. Fourth one, gift of more than rupees 50,000 is not taxable if it is received from A. Relatives, B. Any trust, C. Local authority, and D. All of these. Option D, all of these. Fifth one, director's fee is taxable under A. Income from salaries, B. Profits and gains of business or profession, C. Income from other sources, and D. Not taxable. Option C, income from other sources. Sixth one, agricultural income from land situated outside India is A. Income from house property, B. Profits and gains of business or profession, C. Income from other sources, D. Fully exempted. Option C, income from other sources. Seventh one, interim dividend is taxable A. In the year of declaration, B. In the year of payment, C. Either of these, D. None of these. Option B, in the year of payment. Eighth one, which of the following is taxable but tax is not deducted at a source? A. Tax-free government securities, B. Less tax government securities, C. Tax-free non-government securities, and D. Less tax non-government securities. Option B, less tax government securities. Ninth one, interest on securities received by dash is fully exempt from tax. A. Registered trade union, B. Hospitals, C. Educational institutions, and D. All of these. Option D, all of these. 10th one, TDS rate on income from lottery winnings is A. 10%, B. 15%, C. 20%, and D. 30%. Option D, 30%. Thank you for watching this video.